we're told that a gallon of paint can cover 100 square feet. We're also told that her rectangular walls are 8 feet high. And they want to know how much wall coverage they can get out of a gallon of paint. So remember, on our first example, we had an image that looked like this, where this was 8 feet high. That was the height of the wall. And B represented like the base of the wall. Okay? And so basically what Jasmine's trying to figure out is how long of a wall can she paint with 1 gallon of paint. So now here we're going to balance the equation, but my goal is always to make it look like B equals some stuff, and to get B by itself, I do the opposite. So please write this down. I see my pencil moving, but everybody else's pencils are standing still. So what do I mean by do the opposite? Well, I'm going to look at the variable B, and I'm going to see what the number 8 is doing to B. 8B means what? Multiplication. 8 times B. What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So I'm going to divide by 8 because that's what I want to move. But in order to keep my equation balanced, whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other side. What's 8 divided by 8? 1. What's 1 times B? B. What is 100 divided by 8? Yeah, that's not an easy one. Well, that's a good guess. Actually, it's 12. Did you say 12.5? Mm-hmm. Okay, I couldn't hear you because of the mask. But yeah, it's 12.5. Remember, you can get this by plugging it into a calculator, right? That's the same as 100 divided by 8, which is going to give you 12.5. Okay? So what does that mean? That means for a gallon of paint, she can cover a room that is 8 feet high and 12.5 feet wide. Does that make sense? Any questions on that?